Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be diving into one of my favorite topics, achieving that glass skin look without having to break the bank. Whether you're new here or you're a long-time viewer, I've got some great tips and affordable recommendations for you. So stay tuned and let's get into it. First of all, you have to understand glass skin. Well, what exactly is glass skin? It's all about achieving that clear, smooth, almost translucent complexion that reflects light beautifully. And the best part, you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve that. First of all, I'm going to be hooking you up with affordable skincare essentials. Starting with the basics is very important. All you really need are 4 key products: a good cleanser, a moisturizing face cream, a good body lotion, and a luxurious body oil. Now, these products are going to form the foundation of your glass skin routine. First of all, I'm going to be talking about cleansers. Now, you're going to be choosing a very gentle cleanser that effectively removes impurities but does not strip you of your natural oil. You're going to be looking for ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid for added hydration. I'm going to be plugging you with 2 cleansers that are very, very effective and very affordable. Personally, I would recommend the Joy Black Soap because that is what I use to cleanse my face morning and evening. But if you're looking for other options that are still within your budget, you can do simple face wash or the simple Glow Click face wash. Cleansers leave you hydrated and they don't strip you of your skin's natural oil. Next thing I'm going to be looking at is face cream. You're going to be investing in a moisturizer that suits your skin type. You don't have to go extra miles splurging on so many products. You have to understand that the more you use a product, the more the product gets used to you. It will surely give you the best result with time. Make sure to find a face cream that makes you stay hydrated, because hydration is the key to achieving that plump, dewy look on your skin. Can opt out for ingredients like ceramide or niacinamide for added benefits. The face cream that I'm going to be recommending is Stay Young. I've recommended this face cream to quite a lot of people, and trust me, it has worked wonders. It's just a really nice face cream. It hydrates so nice. It just leaves your face looking plump. It gives you that glass skin look. It's very, very affordable and you can find it in your local drug store. Next face cream I'm going to be recommending is the Simple Face Moisturizer. This has to also be the best in making sure that your skin stays hydrated and plump. Next face cream I'm going to be recommending is the Face Facts Ceramide Face Cream. These 3 face creams that I'm recommending to you are so nice. Trust me, all 3 have added benefits, and there are a lot of others that I would recommend to you, but I'm going to be talking about these 3 because what I know, that's what I've come in contact with. Yes. The next thing we're going to be talking about is body cream. Now, because you want a glass skin, you don't want a glass skin on just your face. You want that glass skin on your body also. What you need to do is to get a rich, creamy body lotion. Just need a good body lotion that is going to leave your skin subtle and soft. The first body lotion I'm going to be recommending to you today is the Dr. Teal's body lotion. This body lotion is so good. It does not just leave your skin feeling soft and subtle, but it also leaves you feeling fresh. Orange flavor, I don't know. I love it. This is a very, very good recommendation if you want to get a lotion. Dr. Teal's has to be the best. If you're trying to go for something more affordable, you can do the Vaseline body lotion. That is quite good. The next body lotion I'm going to be recommending to you, if you have a bigger budget, you can go for Olay, or you can go for the E3 lotion. That lotion just leaves you looking like a soft girl. Leave it for E3 lotion. Okay? If your budget is not as big as that, in fact, leave it. Just go for St. Ives. St. Ives, I don't know, St. Ives, St. Ives, whatever. That body lotion is also so nice. It also leaves your body looking so soft and so good. This I have used before and it gave me great skin. I love my skin. So if you want to get a body lotion and you're on a budget, I'd advise that you go for the St. Ives, the lotion. For the dark girlies or for any skin type, I don't know, you guys complain about getting dark when using shea butter or cocoa butter, but if you're looking for a deep hydration on your body, you can go for products that contain shea butter or cocoa butter. The next thing I'm going to be discussing is body oil. This is my favorite part because I love a glow. For that extra glow, we are going to incorporate a luxurious body oil. If you're on a tight budget, you can do oils like argan oil, jojoba oil. Those oils don't just hydrate your skin, but they just leave you with this subtle, glowy, glass skin look. For body oils, I'm going to be recommending the Vaseline body oil. This body oil, I don't even need to talk. Why am I talking? This body oil is so perfect. I love it. It is super glowy. You should get this body oil. The next body oil I need to be recommending to you is the Bao oil. This is what I use personally right now. This clears what's that scar you have. Like, Bao oil is just for you. Like, if you're this kind of person that is very used to injuring yourself, or if you're this kind of person that has like unnecessary scars or marks on your body, Bao oil is like the perfecto body oil for you. I have used Bao oil for about 3 months now. It is so perfect. It is so good. It leaves you glowing. I don't even know what to say, guys. Bao oil. Just get Bao oil. The next oil I'm going to be recommending to you is the Palmer's body oil. This oil is so perfect. I don't even know. If you're looking to get in an effective body oil, the Palmer's body oil is definitely going to be your pick. Next body oil I'm going to recommend is the coconut oil. If you're on a really tight budget, coconut oil is the best. I hear people saying coconut oil. It just depends. It doesn't work for everybody, but coconut oil also keeps that glow. Or if coconut oil makes you dark, you can go for argan oil. As I said previously, you can go for the jojoba oil. So yeah, those oils leave you shiny. Now let's talk about those skincare habits that you often neglect, and that is why your routine or whatever you have is not working for you. These habits are very crucial if you want to be maintaining your glass skin or if you want to achieve a glass skin. The first one I'm going to be talking about is your bath time. My girl, make sure to have your bath in the morning and in the evening, 2 times a day. At least make sure you have your bath regularly, and make sure to scrub in the bathroom. Like, when you're in the bathroom, like, take your time and scrub your body. It does not matter whether you're using the best bath wash or whether you're using the best scrub. If you don't take your time to scrub your body and give your body that extra care and attention, you're not going to see results. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is exfoliation. I'm sure that you're tired of hearing this, but regular exfoliation just helps you to remove dead cells and reveals a smoother and brighter skin underneath. And make sure to incorporate a very gentle exfoliant. Nobody said you should go and be doing harsh exfoliants. Those ones that are very big, like, I don't know, but please get a very gentle exfoliant that will just scrub your skin. And you have to be doing this just once a week. You don't have to constantly exfoliate your skin. If not, you're going to just cause yourself a lot of problems. Next skincare habit we all overlook is sun protection. Always wear a sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. This is non-negotiable. Like, you can't be negotiating with your sunscreen. You want to be maintaining that glass skin, or if you want to have a healthy skin, make sure to have your sunscreen like every time with you. Put it inside your bag if you want to be having that youthful looking skin. Okay? The next skincare habit that is overlooked is hydration. Nobody has said this enough, but you have to hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. When I say plenty of water, I don't mean a cup and a half in the morning is fine for the day. Drink plenty water. Like, make sure to be finishing at least 6 glasses of water every day. A hydrated skin is a happy skin. So one thing I've learned from my skincare journey is since the day I started taking hydration very seriously. I didn't even have to do too much. Like, my skincare products would finish and I would stay without using anything for a month, but I'll still be glowing. Why? Because I've been drinking water like, what drinks? I don't, a donkey. They'll call me a donkey. But yes, drinking of water is very, very important. Like, drink plenty of water. From within glow is more perfect than you packing product and layering on your skin and you're having breakout and it's just giving you unnecessary things. Like, drink water. That's the best thing that can ever happen to you. Drink water. The next skincare habit that is so overlooked is sleep and stress management. See, you cannot be underestimating the power of a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can just wreak havoc on your skin. Every time you stress, whether it's mentally, physically, emotionally, breakouts, you have to relax, you have to sleep, you have to meditate. You have to give yourself time to be able to breathe. Achieving a glass skin does not have to be complicated. We are the ones that make it complicated. Don't make it complicated, okay? Make sure to get what I recommended in the video. Just know that with the right product and with few simple habits, you're going to be able to achieve a glass skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.